Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. Make sure you stay to the end of this video where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. Today we got a great episode. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, I'm going to make a cocktail. This is called a Choclate Manhattan. So I'm just going to pour it over ice. And we got 2 ounces of Jack Daniels, a ½ ounce of creme de cacao. Do you want to try a Chocolate Manhattan?
Who, me?
All right, so I got a nice pork tenderloin for my Char Siu pork Cuban sandwich sliders. So I'm just going to check the pork tenderloin for silver skin, and we'll cut it off if there's any. So this is the silver skin. It's basically not edible, but I might just cook it for Mookie anyways. So that's what the silver skin looks like. It's just really chewy and you don't want it. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to marinate it overnight. I got some Char Siu pork marinade. So this is Lum's Char Siu sauce. It says since 1955, Hawaii. So we're going to get that in the fridge. That's going to marinate overnight, and then we're just going to bake it at 350. I'm just going to check the directions. It says marinate overnight is best, or according to taste. Oh, bake at 325 for 25 minutes. So that's 325 degrees, pretty low baking temperature. And we're going to have a nice moist Char Siu pork. All right, so these are my Char Siu pork Cuban sliders. So I have some dinner rolls here. So I got 12. I have 2 guests, so probably we'll go 3 each, so 9 will be enough. So this is kind of a cool trick. I'm just gonna keep all the dinner buns connected when I cook them. So I got that. I'm gonna start with the yellow mustard on the bottom. And then we'll go some Swiss cheese. have some Italian style cooked ham. And then we'll go our Char Siu pork. We'll do 1 piece of Char Siu pork per slider. Oh, we got 9. All right, I got nice little pickles. These are sweet pickles. Okay, I'm just gonna move the camera in so you can get a good look. All right, I'm gonna put the top on. And we'll give it a little bit of butter on top. Oopsie. So I'm going to bake these in the oven. Now, Cuban sandwich is traditionally pressed, but I'm going to bake it. So I'm just going to throw a pizza stone on top. And we're going to bake that in the oven. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my Char Siu pork Cuban sliders, and we need a drink to go with that. This is called a quarantine order from the Pagan Idol in San Francisco. So I got my cocktail shaker, a little bit of ice, and it calls for 3 ounces of Jamaican rum. I just have some Captain Morgan spiced rum today. Probably won't do quite 3 ounces there. Got 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce of white grapefruit juice, and a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon simple syrup, and a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup, and it calls for a dash of Angostura bitters. I left my Angostura bitters at the tiki bar, so we'll omit that today. And we'll give that a shaky. And I'm just gonna strain that on in my glass. And I got a nice lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's a quarantine order from the Pagan Idol to go with my Char Siu pork Cuban sliders. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy, by the way. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got new episodes every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.